Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can place any bird perch and attract a bird to land in Heartopia game. Okay, this is one of the quests from weekly challenge on week 6. As you can see right here, I need to place any bird perch and attract a bird to land. And once we complete this quest, we will get 1,000 golds. Okay, and to get the bird perch, guys, you need to go to Bailey J and you can buy this item from her. For me, I got this item after I completed a quest from Bailey J and I get this item for free as my reward. And you need to go to your backpack, then place this bird perch in your home, and once you place it, you can click on this bird icon. Then you're going to place bird feed to attract the bird. And you can get the bird food from Bailey J as well. And I'm going to click on complete. Okay. Bird feed has been placed. And then we just need to wait until the bird come to this bird perch. Okay, let me check it. Okay. And just like that. And I'm going to wait here, guys. I'm gonna chill here in my garden. Okay, guys, and that's how we can place any bird perch and attract a bird to land to complete the weekly challenge in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!